Your personal CFO for the next 6 weeks will completely transform your business. Our team will build you a custom 12-month growth plan to guarantee 2018 to be your most profitable year yet. To pay yourself like a true CEO while growing and maintaining your super efficient team. I want to show you how we helped one of our clients grow their team from 3 to 11 people, growing revenue by 60% and 4xing their profit margins just in the last 10 months. Now, I obviously cannot show you their actual data, but I can show you a sample case study of what we did to help them achieve their goals. If you want your business to be next, we have limited availability to be your CFO for the next 6 weeks. We'll start the process by doing a complete audit review of your 2017 data, right from January 1st until the end of December. This ensures we are using 100% correct and accurate data to build out your custom growth plan. We will then plug your QuickBooks account directly into our custom CFO dashboard, which is this Google Sheet that you're currently looking at right now. The reason we use this sheet is to enable us to build a custom plan for you and make the changes as and when we need to without having to work through QuickBooks. So it starts with your key metrics tab, which is custom built for your business, giving you the weekly measures you need to make sure that you reach your goals. We then break down your key metrics into greater detail on your dashboard. We focus on the key performance areas of your business. These areas are cash flow, projected cash flow, summary of your profit and loss, measuring profit margins. We also have a tax tab, making sure that we are constantly tracking what your tax liability or bill is going to be at the end of the year, as well as a profit distributions tab, making sure that you can identify exactly how much money you have to distribute to yourself as the owner of your business. All of these very, very important accounting things, which we all worry about, making sure that you don't necessarily have to worry about them. Again, this is all high-level view of your 2018 growth plan in your detailed projections and budgets tab. And here we will break down your information in as much detail as we possibly can, so that if you're trying to hit a 3, 4, maybe even 10 times growth in the coming year, we can actually see what that looks like tangibly. We make sure that you break down this roadmap into specific detail that you need. For instance, the different sales channels you have. We do the same thing for your advertising and all the different channels that you have, whether it be Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or whatever it may be. Payroll. Here we have each and every single member on your payroll as a different line item, so that we can measure the performance of each individual individually, which is hugely important when it comes to measuring your team, which I'll talk about shortly. We do the same thing for contractors, giving us that detail. We also do that for software, breaking your software down into operating and management software, one-time and recurring software costs, and anything else that you need broken down specifically for your business. We will make sure we do that so that we can have a perfectly detailed roadmap of your 2018 plan. Without this detail, we cannot identify the key metrics you need to make 2018 your most profitable year ever. Part and parcel of this is using your 2017 audited data, which we would have done in the beginning, as a base point when building this out, so that we can hit the ground running from day one. We then move on to labor efficiency, LER, which simply means labor efficiency ratio. And in basic language is the amount of how much for every dollar you spend on your employees and contractors, how much are you generating in income? Find exactly how we are going to actually grow your team in order to achieve that outcome. And so we'll identify the perfect ratios you need to make sure that 2018 remains the most profitable year it can be. And as we do that, we'll have a very clear picture of when to grow your team and how much you can afford to pay those new team members, whether they are employees or contractors. Your LER also enables you to measure employee and contractor performance, making sure you are running as efficiently as possible in your business. Part and parcel of your labor efficiency is paying yourself. And one of the biggest mistakes and shortfalls entrepreneurs make is how they pay themselves in their businesses. Paying yourself peanuts to make sure that your business continues to run and you don't drain cash flow is never ever going to happen again. You are the CEO of your business. You need to earn like the CEO. Your 2018 roadmap will enable you to actually pay yourself a proper salary and make sure that you can take those sizable quarterly profit draws as and when you need them. The rest of this Google Sheet is made so that you can look at the data you need in your business as and when you need it. There are tabs like current month P&L, which is an individual analysis of the current month P&L, profit and loss statement, as it is happening compared to your budget, tracking percentages of what you achieved and what you haven't achieved from the beginning of the month until today. There's an overview of the entire year where you can look at a budget, or you can look at actuals, or you can look at budgets and actuals, giving yourself a 100% clear picture of what 2018 looks like financially in your business. So this is our CFO dashboard, built customly for you to help you make 2018 your most profitable year yet. Our team has extensive financial experience, both in corporate America as well as working for digital marketers, coaches, and consultants. Krista Stair is our advanced QuickBooks Pro advisor, who generates all of your CFO reports that we have just gone through. Krista was a financial analyst working for Northrop Grumman before joining our team. AZ Moya is our in-house CPA, dealing with all of our tax structures, whether it be business or personal. AZ joined our team from Grant Thornton. I am a management accountant, and my focus is strategic planning, creating your custom 2018 growth plan, the detailed roadmap you need to make 2018 your most profitable year yet. I'm originally from South Africa, where I worked for a law firm for 4 years as their financial manager. You may have your bookkeeper in place and your CPA waiting to file your taxes. The question is, do you have a personal CFO team to actually help you make 2018 your most profitable year ever? Enable you to pay yourself like a true CEO, provide you with the exact roadmap you need and the metrics to guide you along the way? We are your perfect CFO team, and for the next 6 weeks, we will build your custom 12-month growth plan. We do not offer the 6-week CFO package very often, so if you're ready to make 2018 your most profitable year yet, schedule your call today.